not only is there the legal, the lawsuit aspect of the whole Target debacle and the whole biblical immoral and social insanity that's going on, but there is a distinctive law enforcement aspect to this. Not only did I spend 10 years in Florida law enforcement as a decorated law enforcement officer in 2 different sheriff's offices under 3 different sheriffs, and one of those doing my own criminal investigations, but I'm also a sworn special deputy right now with the Maricopa County Sheriff's Office in Arizona under Joe Arpaio. And there is a legal matter here and it goes to the targeting of Christians. And the bottom line is this: I've been challenging on TV and radio for the last several weeks sheriffs all over the nation. Where are our sheriffs on this? It is still a criminal action in all 50 states for a man to purposely go into a bathroom where little girls or teenage girls or women are for the purpose of using those facilities to purposely. Now, to accidentally walk into the wrong restroom, that's not a criminal offense. But for me right now, to just walk into a girl's bathroom and to use that bathroom in front of and with those girls is a criminal offense. Sex offenders are in prison for such things and for exposing themselves publicly. The other thing with Obama's bathroom policies inflicted upon our public schools, Harry, it's not just the bathrooms. That policy says that men can go into showers with our little girls. They can go into the dressing rooms. Boys, teenage boys, men. Listen, staff people, there's nothing under his directives to stop a teacher or a janitor or an administrator from going in, following some teenage girls into the bathroom or to the showers while the girls are showering. All they have to do is explain, I feel like a girl today. And under his directive, they can do it. And I'm telling you, Perry, I'm calling upon sheriffs all over this nation. Man up. You are the chief law enforcement officer of your county. Every state in the union, it is illegal for me to go into a girl's shower with teenage girls, take off my clothes in front of them, and shower with them. It is a criminal act. It is a felony. And sheriffs need to go to target managers operating in their counties and say, I'm the constitutional chief law enforcement officer of this county. If a man purposely goes in the women's room in your store, I will arrest the man and I will arrest you, Mr. Manager, for aiding and abetting in a crime. And in some cases, if the guy touches or exposes himself, then it's a felony. And that's what needs to happen, or else this insanity is going to sweep our land.